There is so much money, I wouldn't say resting idle in the pension funds and other institutions like that, but a significant part of it, I think, should be made available for financing projects which are in the public interest. And I'm in touch with many insurers and pension fund managers who say the same thing. The challenges we are going to have to face in the European Union in the next years are so enormous that the tapping of new resources is necessary. Look at the challenges which we identified in context in the preparation of the Juncker plan with the investment gaps. If you only compare the figures for the objectives set by the European Council and the Member States for several areas like climate change, energy efficiency, dealing with the integration of refugees, if you put this together with the necessity to beef up our digital economy, to make sure that we have the necessary data centers to process our own data. If you add all this up and then look at the potholes in the roads and the fractures in the bridges in Europe, then you arrive in this comparison between what we want, according to the decision of the European Council, and what we have in the budgets of the Member States and the European Union, you arrive at a volume of more than 500 billion euros per year. This is the investment gap in Europe every year. And if we want to catch up with our competitors around the world, after 2 decades of trailing behind their activities in research, development and education by 1.5 to 1.8%, then we better speed up, and that requires the mobilization of these funds. And I think we should have a closer look together, of course, with the legislators and the regulators at the funds you mentioned.